I'm Selma and this is Anna.
My name is Tintor.
My name is Lilia.
My name is Enrique.
We are going to tell you
About some facts.
About Iceland.
Now we're going to tell you about a shopping center in Iceland called Smáralind.
Smártivoli is located in the shopping center called Smáralind. Smártivoli is like a Tivoli for us in Iceland.
Barnafoss is a popular place in Iceland for tourists. The waterfall is in Hvítá, right above another waterfall, Hraunfossa.
Now I'm going to talk about Icelandic rappers. The most popular one is probably Ansi Gauti. His real name is Gauti Freyr Másson. His career started in 2002 and then he got solo in 2010. His most famous album, Bara Ég, came out in 2011 and his second famous album, Freyr, in 2013.
A blue lagoon is a natural place where lots of tourists go to get their skin softer and put masks on their faces. Some were in the water, the hot water is 23 degrees and somewhere is 44 degrees.
Hello, I'm Selma.
Anime!